Hello everybody. So this is my 10 years old Alto. Let me show you. Yeah, there you go. Now the problem I have been facing recently is that this mirror here on the right hand side, this is extremely loose as you can see. So when I drive, the moment the wind hits that mirror, it kind of folds like this and I'm not able to see the cars and the traffic behind me. Yeah. So it's time to change it, and this is the second time, or rather the third time I'll be changing this mirror. The original one that came with the car broke long time back, and I didn't get the original equipment because once a car becomes old, and this car of mine is 10 years old, becomes difficult to get the parts, to get the accessories available. Anyway, so I've got this one. So this is not a paid promotion, and this is not the original mirror. It's kind of locally made, but it says DK Max anti-glare convex mirror for wider vision, quality with matches the OEM standards, hassle-free fitment, maximum safety and relaxed driving. That's what it says. It's the brand is DK Max side view mirror, and the price quoted here is 399, but the shopkeeper took um, 360 rupees for this. Anyway, let's have a look inside. So there's this bubble wrap inside. Let me take it out. Okay, and there's the mirror. Yeah, it looks like this. So I need to take out the old mirror and install this. I've done this earlier, and hopefully I'll be able to do this. I mean, this installation this time as well. Let's see. Tools, I need a few wrenches and a screwdriver. Sorry, screwdriver. This is a rusty piece of box. First things first, I need to get this plastic cover off. I need a screwdriver. Okay, I managed to take this cover out. Now these are the screws, the three screws. I need to unscrew the mirror and then put the new one. But in order to unscrew these two, the one here and the one there, I need to loosen this bolt here so that this plastic cladding moves a bit, an inch towards me, so that I get the space to unscrew these two. Okay, I was able to remove this bolt from this place here. So now these two screws is a bit more accessible. I'll be able to unscrew it. I'll be able to unscrew them. Okay, got all the three screws taken off, and this is how it looks like. Now it's time to take out the mirror. There you go. It's so simple. But the only difficulty is that the space here is constrained. So while putting the screws back on these two, it will be difficult. I'll have difficulty in putting these two screws back on. Anyway, what has to be done has to be done. The problem with this old mirror is that though this nut here seems to be pretty tight, but still this thing is moving across. Not sure how to fix it. I'm not sure whether this can be repaired, because the mirror is still okay. Looks fine. Alright, now it's time to put the nuts on. So let me put the first nut on so that the mirror doesn't fall off. 'Cause I'm filming and I'm doing the job by myself, so there is no one at this moment to help me out. Now comes the tricky part. I need to put these nuts in that on those screws or on those bolts, and this place there is little space here, you know. Let me give it a try. Managed to put those two nuts in place, but I've lost the third one, and that has gone inside this plastic cladding. Sorry, so that was expected. Not sure how to fish it out. At last, I was able to get the nut out from that corner where it got stuck. Need to be careful now. I shouldn't be losing it again. So the nuts are in place. Now it's time to tighten them. So all three nuts are tightened up. Now it's time to place the cover here and then put this bolt back on. Okay, so the cover is back on. There you go. That's my new mirror shining brightly. There you go. All done and dusted. And just give the mirror a clean. Yep, that's done. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next one.